Welcome back, everyone. I am in the helping profession as a psychologist, and I love being able to help people get their lives back on track or make some changes in their relationships or in their behaviors or in their thoughts. That's what I do for a living. I'm in the change business. But a lot of us, myself included at times, a lot of us want to change others or help others. And sometimes our help is not helpful. Sometimes we try too hard because we believe we know what's best for them. We try to help them maybe manage their relationships, their finances, their health, their lifestyle, and we want to direct them. But I guess we have to ask ourselves the question, do they want our help? Did they ask for our help? Sometimes we're helping them and it has been unsolicited. They didn't come to us and ask for help. So sometimes we assume they need our help, they want our help, but really they didn't ask for it. So that's something that I think it's so important that you're clear on. Do they need our help? Yes, maybe. Do they want our help? And is our helping doing more damage than good? Because sometimes that happens as well. So why are we helping? Why are we helping the people that we love, that we care about? Obviously, it's for good intentions, because we want their lives to be better. But sometimes we're helping because it's a distraction from our own stuff. So if we're helping other people, we don't have to take a look at our own issues or our own conflicts. Sometimes there's an ulterior motive. Sometimes our efforts to save or rescue or help others has to do with our past experiences. Maybe we needed to be saved or rescued and weren't rescued. Maybe there weren't people in our lives that helped us. But so much of it has to do with how we communicate. Our delivery really does matter. Are we coming across as bossy, controlling, micromanaging, maybe condescending or belittling, more like a parent than a friend? And I think that's something that we want to check in ourselves. Are they asking for our help? Are we communicating in a respectful and kind way? Don't assume, but ask. Ask the question. And if you are attempting to help within a boundary, within a reasonable amount. Because sometimes the more we help others, the less they help themselves. Sometimes when we enable, we disable. And so you want to really be careful about that. Be careful about how much effort you put in versus how much effort they're putting in. Be respectful. Validate their feelings, acknowledge them, and acknowledge what their plans are, their desires are, even if they don't always align with your own. So don't assume that helping others is always the right choice or always the right decision. It can be helpful, but we have to maintain boundaries so that we're not doing more and creating more damage in our efforts to be helpful. So be aware of that. There are so many people that can benefit from our help. But don't believe or don't think that it is always helpful, because sometimes it's hurtful. So be careful with how much you help, and don't neglect your own needs in the process. Dr. Tony Ferretti, signing out.